Naomi Home presents the Katie Contemporary Recliner Sofa Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This recliner sofa comes as shown with premium air leather, offering a supple and smooth feel that is both durable and easy to maintain. To get started, connect the right chair base onto the center chair base. Now, connect the left chair base onto the center chair base. Next, connect the left, right, and center backrest onto the chair bases. Attach each of the backrest onto the chair bases. Finally, slide the left and right corner side pieces onto the left and right backrest. To recline, simply pull the lever to access the leg rest. Then push back with your torso to access the back reclining features. Pull down the center backrest to reveal the included cup holders. And there you have it, your Katie Contemporary Recliner Sofa is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.